Well, once again, this is going to be a very short video, and we'll get to it right after this. Dawn was supposed to be here with me, but she's off on a girls' morning coffee and chat time. Coffee, tea, whatever you want to drink, chat time. And I just had a few things I wanted to bring up. We have been so busy. You know, I've been doing pub trivia. We had all the performances of the Playhouse. That took up so much time. And we got this quick set by Clam set up. Now, in this last week, I wanted to give you an update. We had a couple of really crazy windstorms that blew through here. I wish I had video of that. The weights we have the 4 water bags. It's about 80.8 pounds, like 81 pounds roughly of weight holding this thing down. There are 6 sides, so do the math. There's 2 sides not being held down. Now, we did collapse the whole tent down. It didn't take long to do it in a stiff wind. We collapsed it down and then put it back up again when the wind stopped. But we got to thinking we wanted to order a couple of more of these bags. Well, I couldn't find anywhere where they sold them in a single pack or a double pack, so we just ordered another 4-pack. Should be showing up this week. So my plan is to have 1 bag on each corner and 2 bags at the door, and that will probably hold it down. Now, I don't know if it's a safety feature or what, but when we had one wind that came through, I guess the angle direction, it actually popped the roof down, and the wind was actually kind of blowing over it. We probably could have left it like that, though I didn't want to take any chances of anything getting damaged, so I went ahead and collapsed it anyway after that. But that was kind of an interesting feature that took place when the wind was really picking up. 2 more things about the Clam quick set. I had a really good friend that was in the play with me, noticed we put one up, and he said after about 3 years or so, he has his for almost 4 years, because it's been exposed to the sun so much, it's starting to show sun rot in some areas. Now, he had an idea which we plan to do, and that is, if you're going to be in a lot of out sunny areas where you're not really shaded and the tent itself is in a sunny area, you may want to invest in the top, the rain top that goes over it. It clips on all 6 sides, and it will actually protect the roof. So for another, I think it's $60 for that. It would be much nicer to throw that out after it started to rot and protect the roof, so you don't have to replace the entire setup. So that's another interesting thing that we're looking into. Last thing I want to talk about with the Clam set, my cousin was really interested in this thing, and he saw our video last week, and then he started doing some research and was looking at like we all do, we don't look at the best reviews because they're just going to rave about it. We look at the worst reviews and see what people are having trouble with. And he said the majority of the people that had a bad review said that when they got it, it was inside out. Yeah, I'm laughing because as you watch the video, we started setting this thing up upside down, and by setting it up upside down, it opens up inside out. So it's not really inside out. You just got to really pay attention to how it goes. If you look at it, that should be facing down, not up. So when we first started to set it up, that center point was actually facing up. So if that thing is facing up, it's upside down, and it's going to be set up inside out. Same thing with those little side buttons there. If those are on the outside, it's going to be set up inside out. You want this handle strap on the outside. So that's basically the quick set follow-up. Other than that, we've enjoyed the space. It's just been really a nice addition. I've added a fan in here. We started carrying that fan with us about a year ago. Even sitting outside, it can get really hot and stuffy in some areas, and that fan really helps. So I think this is going to be a really nice setup. What else is going on? Man, we've got a lot of repairs coming up. We're hoping to finally get out. Weather's getting nice here in Phoenix area. We're probably going to get out and see a few new sites around the vicinity. Along with everything else that's going on right now, we're starting to get established with doctors in the area. Of course, when you're traveling, if you have a home base, at least for a certain amount of time of the year, you want to establish a health plan. and freaking out about going to see the doctor and seeing myself on camera for the play, I decided, you know what, I'm going to be proactive instead of reactive. I'm not going to show up to a doctor's appointment and have them tell me I need to lose weight. So yes, I am dedicated, I am focused, I am on Weight Watchers again, and this time I plan to stick to it. So hopefully you'll be seeing less of me in the future. So that's going to be it. Like I said, short and sweet, just letting you know that we're still around. Trying not to skip a week, but at least give you updates of what's going on. For those of you who are not family and friends and just kind of follow the channel, a lot of this too was originally started for my family and friends to know what we're up to, and I don't want them to worry if we skip a week. So we might periodically during the winter months have one of these short things saying, hey, we're still here, guys. And yeah, so yeah, hit that subscription, give us a thumbs up for good measure. Notification bell lets you know when we post every Sunday at 2. And that's about it. So yeah, until next time, safe travels.